Hello everyone, my name is Elisa. Today we are talking with Dr. Rita Jerath. She is MD, dermatologist and cosmetologist. It's about laser pigmentation removal. Should we start?
Yes, of course.
Can pigmentation be treated?
Practically yes, except for your basic skin color. That you can even out for 1 to 2 shades better. The deep-seated pigmentations can also be treated with very difficulty, but superficial pigmentations which we have as a part of growing like sunspots, freckles, melasma and nevi, these can all be treated with laser.
Am I a good candidate for laser pigmentation removal?
Yes, if I have a lighter complexion like fair people, they do not have any side effects of the laser pigment removal. But if already, like in Asian skin, we already have a little bit of brown or black shade, and there the melanocytes can be stimulated by this procedure, and we may land up with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So even we can have more of pigmentation after the procedure.
Can all areas of the body be treated?
Yes, all the areas of the body can be treated except around the eyes and hairy areas. There you can land up with bleaching the hair in the process of removing the pigment.
How many treatments will I need and how often?
Practically, we have to take one sitting every 21 to 28 days, and you can see the results after 5 to 6 sittings.
When will I see results?
After 3 to 4 sittings, I think you can start seeing the results. Your skin looks better, even tone, and that those irregularities in the form of freckles, sunspots, they all tend to even out.
How often can treatments be performed?
As I told you earlier, these treatments can be performed once a month, and can take these treatments for 6 months to 1 year, depending upon how much pigmentation do you have.
Are the results permanent?
If the maintenance therapy with sunscreens, moisturizing creams, and less of sun exposure, all these precipitating agents, if they are avoided, then these treatments can be permanent.
How can I get the best results from pigmentation removal?
We can get the best results from this process by following the instructions which we have been given. How to use a shade for your face, you have to use sunglasses, you have to continuously use sunscreens when you are out in the sun. You cannot go out in the sun without sunscreens, and you have to take care of your diet, and you have to take some antioxidant medicines also to improve your skin tone.
What can I expect to experience after my treatment? Is there any downtime?
After this treatment, you can expect the results after 5 or 6 days, and there is no downtime required. There may be a little bit of redness and irritation which may last for just for 24 hours or so, and you can do ice packs and they'll get over it.
Does pigmentation removal hurt?
No, it is absolutely a painless procedure. You do not require even any anesthesia for this procedure. Although later on you may have some of redness, some tingling and some burning just for a few hours. There is no downtime required. It's a very safe procedure.
Are PKY treatments safe? And are there any side effects?
There are not many side effects of this procedure except for recurrence of the pigmentation again and again at the same points. And for that you need repeated sessions. And since you are not giving any anesthesia, you are not applying anything, so you do not have any side effects of the anesthesia. It's a practically non-invasive procedure.
Why is the PKY laser the ideal treatment option?
PKY laser is an ideal treatment option for pigment removal because this is an OPD procedure. No downtime is required. You can go to the work instantly, and you do not require any anesthesia, any hospitalization, and it's a very cheap procedure. In fact, one treatment option costs you as much as any brightening or pigment reducing cream can cost. And you can the creams which you get in the market, they are not able to penetrate your epidermis and target the color cells which are active. But these lasers, they target only the color cells, sparing all the tissues, and the rest of the tissue remains normal. And these treatment options are available at Jerath Cosmetology Center at a very nominal rates and are being conducted by trained professionals, and where you can expect good results.
Thank you, doctor, for information. So, if anybody wants to take an appointment, they can contact numbers mentioned on the screen, or else they can contact through our website.